You're going to enjoy it. This group that's coming up right now, they are from the great state of Alabama. Do you guys tour in Alabama very much?
Quite a bit, and it's a great state.
It is beautiful
Great
down
people.
there. As a matter of fact, I just came from there last night. We have some Alabamians here tonight. How many people are not from Alabama, but would like to be? Oh, okay. There's a bunch of them here. Well, we have a great group coming on right now. They have a single out right now. It's doing great. It's called Where Angels Fear to Tread. From the great state of Alabama, please make welcome Southern Harmony. Here they are.
I'm going through. Go ahead and do whatever you decide to do. I made my choice, steady and true. The decision is final, and I'm going through.
Down on my knees, I put away sin, desperately needing for love to come in. I open my heart with God's great key, and in that very moment, He spoke sweet peace to me.
Hallelujah, I'm going through. Go ahead and do whatever you decide to do. For I made my choice, steady and true. The decision is final, and I'm going through.
It ain't always easy, this road that I'm on. The farther I travel, it just keeps getting long. But I fixed it in my mind, and I know just what to do. 'Cause I made God a promise, and I intend to go through.
I'm going through.
Oh yes,
I'm going through. Go ahead and do whatever you decide to do.
for
I made my choice, steady and true. The decision is final, and I'm going through.
now I plan to make it, whatever the case. You see, I've started for heaven. I'm gonna finish this race. Now I may not be running, and if I have to, I'll crawl. What can keep me from heaven? Oh, nothing at all.
Oh Lord, I'm going through.
Oh yes,
I'm going through. Go ahead and do whatever you decide to do. For I made my choice, steady and true. The decision is final, and I'm going through. I'm going through. I'm going through. Go ahead and do whatever you decide to do. I made my choice, steady and true. The decision is final, and I'm going through. The decision is final.
I've made up my mind.
The decision is final.
I ain't wasting my time.
The decision is final, and I'm going.
Lord, I just want my life to be a testimony. Can you say that tonight?
If going on would cause me to be weary, and if my feet should stumble when trouble comes my way, could someone be there watching to see the role I play? Lord, help me be strong enough to say, I'll be a testimony, a living testimony, living so the world can look at me. I'm fighting through the battle. If I hold on through this fight, victoriously my life will testify. What can I leave to those I hold so dear? The message of great comfort, hope and cheer. me, a living testimony, living so the world can look at me. I'm fighting through the battle. If I hold on through this fight, victoriously my life will testify. I'll be a testimony. I'll be a testimony. Victoriously my life will testify.
Thank you. Here's a song. It talks about He'll lead us where angels dare to tread. And truly, that's true tonight. Through the hard times, friends, all we've got to do is just lean on Jesus. Isn't that wonderful to know?
There's been many times I felt all alone, and many times I was far from home. But then I looked to the eastern skies, and I know my Lord was by my side, and He walks with me where angels fear to tread. My Lord walks with me where angels fear to tread. In the lands of the famine, I am fed. No, I'll never have to walk alone, for I know my Lord is leading me home, and He walks with me where angels fear to tread. I thank God above for leading me through this barren land. He's held on to me as I walked through the desert sands. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will praise my Lord with every breath, and He walks with me where angels fear to tread. My Lord walks with me where angels fear to tread. In the lands of the famine, I am fed. No, I'll never have to walk alone, for I know my Lord is leading me home, and He walks with me where angels fear to tread. No, I'll never have to walk alone, for I know my Lord is leading me home, and He walks with me where angels fear to tread. My Lord walks with me where angels fear to tread.
Great job. That was a beautiful job, wasn't it? I tell you what, it's wonderful to look at such class and not only hear wonderful gospel songs, but being presented by just beautiful people as well. Just a great family.
Beautiful family.
I want you